Hello everyone, welcome to InHand Automation. I am Saurabh Pal, experienced QA automation engineer currently working in a top MNC. I am starting this particular InHand Automation YouTube channel to help all the QA members who are currently looking for a change and all the manual tester who are looking to come into the automation skills or automation field. So this is the first video of SDT interview series. I am starting the SDT interview series for the experienced interview questions which I am facing currently while giving the interviews. So when I went to give the Capgemini L1 interview experience of 5 years automation test engineer role where they are looking for the Java and Selenium experienced candidate. So in this video, I'll be covering general discussion, what happened at the initial of the interview, and then I'll move to the Java questions, Selenium questions, and along with that, I'll be providing you the interview tips, like how you guys should react when this type of questions are coming. So let's get started. So first question was tell me about yourself. So first of all, in the tell me about yourself, interviewers already having the resume, but this is very lengthy. He just wanted to know in a short and very crisp that what exactly you are, what are you working, and how you are building yourself in your current organization. So I explained about myself, which you can show and see into the particular PPT file which I am showing, and this is how you should explain yourself. Next question was directly from the Java. Explain the folder structure in Java. So since you guys are already aware that we will be keeping our resource code into the our src main Java, then configuration files will be in src main resources, and all the test automation script will be stored in src test Java, and then the reusable test data will be stored in the src test resources, and all the project dependency will be keeping into a pom.xml, and build output will be in the target folder. So you have to explain each and every folder structure, like where exactly it is and what exactly you are keeping inside that. So that's how you can explain the folder structure in Java. So next question was, what is your entry point in Java program? So interview asked this very basic question from the Java, and he want to understand also the basic concept. So JVM start the execution from the main method. So just explain the main method, like how you are creating, what are the keywords you have into the main method while creating the main method, what and all the keywords you are using, what is public, what is static, what is more wide, what is main. So all these keywords you have to explain. So as we know that public we are using because it should be accessible by JVM. Static we are using because no object creation is required here. Void we are using because it does not return anything. So in that way you have to explain in a very crisp and each keyword of the particular entry point of Java. The next question was, what are the different type of exception? So if you guys are already facing this kind of questions, yes, this is the most important questions every interviewer asking, because all whoever working on the automation testing, whenever the test case is getting failed, the reason behind is that exception. Definitely, whether it is a testing script issue, whether it is genuine failure, whatever it is, but exception will be there for sure. So there are two type of exception: checked exception, unchecked exception. Checked exception will happen at the compile time, unchecked exception will be happening at the runtime. Just provide few examples, like in checked exception I'll be having IO exception, SQL exception, file not found exception, null pointer exception, arithmetic exception, number format exception, array index out of bound exception. So these are the exceptions which commonly occurs. If you guys face few more exception, and I am missing one exception here intentionally, which is very frequently we are facing in automation script, put it into the commit. Is it start with S. Okay, yeah, let's move to the next question. So next question came from correction. What is correction in Java? So in a very simple keyword and method or definition, you can simply say to interviewer that the Java collection framework is a set of interfacing classes which is used to store the data and retrieve the data, and also manipulate the group of object efficiently, right? And also explain to the interviewer that we have common interfaces with its implementation. Explain about the list, explain about the set, explain about the queue, explain about the map, and also explain the advantages, like What are the advantage? It is a dynamic data storage, faster for searching and sorting. We have a lot of built-in methods. It reduces the development time and also give few difference between list and few differences between the array list, linked list, sat, queue, map. So you can give all these one key pointers to the interviewer so that he will be knowing that yes, he worked on it. So next question came from the Selenium side to me, and that was what is implicit wait. So as we know that implicit wait is a global wait, it applied to the all element, it waits for the element found or timeout occur, and it helps to reduce the no such element exception. This is the particular code snippet that driver.manage.timeouts.implicitly wait, and we'll be giving duration dot of second, how much time we want to wait. The limitation here is it cannot be for the specific condition. The implicit wait is a global wait. You just configured it once and it will be applied to whole your script. So that's why sometimes it is less flexible also, and it also slow down your test scripts. Yeah. So next question was what is explicit wait? So explicit wait is a wait which is for the specific element, and it wait for a particular condition to be satisfied and also provide you the test stability, and it is more reliable than implicit wait. So you have to explain the explicit wait and what is the code snippet for that, because interviewer will ask for sure to write the code snippet of waits. So you have to write a code snippet in a way like WebDriver wait of wait equals to new WebDriver wait, and then provide the driver instance with the time interval, and then wait dot until expected conditions dot element to be clickable by your locators. So common conditions here are visibility, clickability, presence, alert, and frames. So that's what the explicit wait is. Next question came from Fluent wait. So what is Fluent wait? We all know it is advanced version of explicit wait. So just explain in a way with the short keywords, just like it. Fluent wait is a advanced version of explicit wait, which help us with the custom timeout, which provide us the custom pooling interval, and also it help us to ignore the specific exception. It is very best for the dynamic element. Now the code snippet will be wait of WebDriver wait equals to new front wait. We'll be providing the driver instance and then with the timeout with pulling every and ignoring. So whoever know it's fine. Whoever does not know, with timeout means to say like how much time you want your particular element, your wait mechanism to wait before that particular element is located, or it is before that particular element is clickable. So in the wait timeout we'll be providing that time, and in pooling every we'll be providing a time like in how much pool, in how much time you want your wait mechanism to check whether the condition is satisfied or not. And ignoring, you will be providing if this particular exception is coming, just ignore that and proceed. Next question. So next question was difference between the explicit wait and implicit wait. So I just provide the overall a high level difference between the implicit and explicit wait. Like implicit is a global, explicit is a specific wait. It implicit applies to all element, explicit applies to a specific element. There is no condition in implicit, but the condition is used in explicit. Implicit is less flexible, explicit is highly flexible, slower for dynamic pages, best for dynamic pages. So these are the difference between the explicit and implicit wait I provide. Okay, thank you. If you find this video very helpful for you, like this video, comment your interview questions, subscribe to InHand Automation, turn on notification for more real-time interview questions. Because in the next episode, I'll be giving you a Capgemini L2 interview questions, right? Which will be having the Java Selenium coding frameworks. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.